change the transmission fluid on your RZR Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Place a drain pan underneath the transmission drain plug. Clean the area around the fill plug. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Remove the transmission fill plug and set aside. Clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plug. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the transmission through the fill plug until the fluid begins to seep out of the fill plug. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual oil off of the vehicle. Dispose of the used oil properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.